I'm Seth Campbell with Seth Campbell Logging, second generation logger in Blanchard, Idaho. My company was started in 2005 with my wife Crystal, and we currently have 7 employees, and my brother-in-law Zay with Zay's Cutting does all our bunching for the tractor side, and then we have a cut the length side working down the road about 20 miles. I've been a Papé customer for the last 5 years when they came to our area, and I bought my first new John Deere in 2007. We have currently on the tractor side 2 848Ls, a 2654G with a 623 Wartaw, a 2156G log loader, and my brother-in-law runs an 859MH cutter. As a logger, the key in our industry is to have as little downtime as possible, and Papé provides great customer support and part availability, and field techs are excellent, and we get them out usually within a day of any breakdowns. I learned a long time ago that downtime is the biggest cost in logging, so our company chooses to run newer equipment, and we get the maintenance programs that Papé offers. We have 4,000-hour warranties on all of our machines, which is a big help with downtime, and keeping good, clean rigging around is a good way to keep and attract good operators and keep them happy. The sales team is excellent. I work with Jason Jones in my area. He's always readily available to answer questions and strategy for the company. Jason always keeps us moving with new equipment and rentals and all of our equipment needs. When we order parts, we have a knowledgeable staff in Spokane here at the Papé store. Get it shipped out that night and have it in the morning to go back to work. And that's a huge help with downtime and makes my life a lot easier. Papé's values align with the way I like to run my company, taking care of their customers and their employees, keeping everybody happy. Great guys, part of the family, get together with them, go hunting together, just like I like to treat my employees, all part of the family, more than employees, friends as well. Papé has helped me meet the needs of our company currently and has helped us to be more productive, more efficient, and be able to take on more work as we progress. The future for our company looks bright working with Papé.